Well, this is what I'm trying to plough in. That's Heidi and that's Sasha. And that's the pickup truck. Look how bloody high the grass is. And there's the tractor. 150 horsepower with a 4-4 reversible on the back. I don't even bother putting it in 4-wheel drive. It's like a pimple on a mountain, it could pull twice as big a plough. But anyway, here we are. 120 acres to plough. Yeah. Grass is 4 foot high. I'll be glad when this is done as well. And here's Sasha chewing up a stick. Oh, Sasha. And there's Heidi. Dog's having a good time anyway. Bye for now.